Hi guys, my name is Anchikongare. I'm a CNA lab technologist and aesthetic assistant based in Nairobi, Kenya. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use an ultrasonic cleaner in our CSSD. So if you like this kind of topic, kindly consider to like, share and subscribe. Without wasting much time, let us jump right into it. Sorry for the lighting. I don't know why my lighting today is so ugly. This is our ultrasonic cleaner. Kindly ignore how it looks. It's very old. We have upgraded to the big versions. Okay, now this is how it looks like. We had cleaned it, so I use my hands without my bare hands to touch it. Okay, this is how it looks like. It has here the control panel. You see this one, you remove this one, you can remove this one. It looks like this. Connect it back. Then you have this switch to switch off and on. Then you can see it is written ultrasonic cleaner. This is how it looks on top. Inside, this is how it looks like. It's old and we rarely use it. This is how it looks like inside. After you have washed your things here, you remove it. You remove this basin, you remove it, then you go rinse your instruments. You go rinse your instruments, okay? Another thing, let me show you. This is how it looks like. On the other side, we have here the control panels. You can see it is written ultrasonic cleaner. This unit must be connected to the ground. Do not disassemble the unit except for authorized serviceman. Do not touch the socket with wet hands. To reduce risk of electrocution, do not use it until when the tank is not filled with water. I don't want to fill it, that's why I'm not putting it on. Here you have your temperature side. Here we control the temperature. You want how many degrees, you set it in degrees here. Temperature, you can add, here you can reduce. This side, you use it to turn it on or off. Okay, this one, you just the same. You can use this side or you use this side. But you can see here, you are setting temperature in degrees. Here you are setting it how many minutes. Here it is temperature. Maybe you want to set maybe at 15 degrees you will set using here. Then for how many minutes you use this other side. Then when you want to operate this side, you can power here on or you power off. The same to here, you power on or off. Then you set your temperature in terms of degrees on this side, then for how many minutes on this other side. Okay, then you have here other precaution. Do not plug the power. Do not plug the power source before filling or emptying the tank. Do not keep heating without water nor supervised. Please power it off the controls and wait for normal temperature of water before drainage. Okay, until next time, bye.